Welcome to Max class. In this class, I am going to explain about pictograph in the chapter Statistics. A pictograph is a way of showing data using images. Each image stands for a certain number of things. The definition of a pictograph is a symbol or image that represents an idea. A pictograph uses picture symbols to convey the meaning of statistical information. It is one of the easiest ways to represent statistical data. Moreover, it is very easy to read pictograph. Ancient Sumerian, Egyptian and Chinese civilizations began to adopt such symbols to represent concepts, developing them into logographic writing systems. Pictographs are still in use as the main medium of written communication in some non-literate cultures in Africa, the Americas and Oceania. Next, advantages of pictograph. The data can be easily analyzed and interpreted. The pictures and symbols help us to understand better. The pictograph is a pictorial representation of a word or phrase. A pictograph is also called pictogram. Pictographs were used as the earliest known writing form, examples having been discovered in Egypt and Mesopotamia 3000 BC. Scaling. If the data is very large, it is very difficult and time consuming to represent each data in pictograph. We can use one picture to represent many of the same is called scaling. Exercise 5.2. Question number 1. Subdivision 1. If one ball represents 100 balls, then 1.5 ball represents dash balls. 1 ball equal to 100 means half ball equal to 50. So 1.5 ball represents 150 balls. Subdivision 2. If 200 is represented by one bat, then 600 is represented by 3 bats. 200 equal to 1 bat, so 600 equal to 3 bats. Question number 3. Representation of data by using pictures is known as pictograph. Question number 2. Draw a pictograph for the given data. In this tabular column, month and number of computers sold are shown. In June, 300 computers sold. In July, 450. In August, 600. And in September, 550 computers sold. Now we draw the number of pictograph for number of computers sold. So for this pictograph, scale equal to 1 unit equal to 100 computers. So 1 computer equal to 100 computers. So in this pictograph, in June, 300 computers sold is shown by 3 computers. In July, 450 computers sold by 4 computers and then 1 half computer. In August, 600 computers sold by 6 computers shown here. In September, 550 computers sold. 550 equal to 5 computers, 1 half computer is shown here. Question number 3. The following table shows the number of tourists who visited the places in the month of May. In this tabular column, place Mahabalipuram, Vedantangal, Hokkainakal and Ooty. Number of tourists are tabulated here. Now we draw a pictograph for this given information. So number of tourists who visited the place in the month of May. For this pictograph, one image equal to 5,000 tourists. Here, place and number of tourists are shown here. Mahabalipuram, 4 images are shown which equal to 20,000 tourists. Vedantangal, 3 images are shown here. That means 15,000 tourists. In Hokenakal, there are 8 images. Images represent 40,000 tourists. In Ooty, 7 images represent 35,000 tourists. Question number 4. The following pictograph shows the number of students playing different games in a school. Here a pictograph is given. One image represents 10 students. So, the number of students playing different games. So 90 students playing Kho-Kho, 110 students playing Kabaddi, only 30 students playing basketball, 50 students playing volleyball, and 90 students playing hockey. Subdivision 1. Which is the most popular game among the students? Kabaddi. Subdivision 2. Find the number of students playing Kabaddi. 110 students playing Kabaddi. Number 3. Which two games are played by equal number of students? 90 students playing Kho-Kho and hockey. So, Kho-Kho and hockey are played by equal number of students. What is the difference between the number of students playing Kho-Kho and hockey? There are 90 students are playing the Kho-Kho and hockey. There is no difference. That is 0 difference between the number of students playing Kho-Kho and hockey. Question number 5. Which is the least popular game among the students? Basketball. Only 30 students playing the basketball. Question number 5. The pictorial representation for a phrase is a option A picto, option B tally mark, option C frequency, option D data. Answer is option D data. Question number 6. The representation of one picture to many objects in a pictograph is called dash. Option A tally mark, option B pictoword, option C scaling, option D frequency. The answer is option C scaling. Question number 7. A pictograph is always known as option A pictoword, option B pictogram, option C pictophrase, option D pictograph. Answer is option B pictogram. Students, I hope you have understood the pictograph and the sums given in exercise 5.2. Thank you.